Yeah. I don't know what that's for.
There's definitely no fires out here.
And we're kind of working against the clock. But I'd say we're pretty close.
Yeah, I think so.
Now.
It was 0.9 back there.
Mm.
Oh.
See, there's the trail.
Oh, yeah.
We went.
There you go.
That's how we come in. If you can see that trail. And we took all rights.
Mm-hmm.
And we still ended up on this side of that trail. That's
Weird.
That's weird. There should have been a left there. And this says, what is lichen? And no, it is not the werewolf on the movie. Can't remember what the movie was called.
It's with your wife.
TV wife, yeah. Anyway, lichen Kate Beckinsale. Lichen consists of green algae and a fungus helping each other grow together. Lichens are not plants. There are many types of lichen with various shapes and colors. They grow on bark, leaves, rocks, or branches. See how many kinds you can spot. Well, if I could find an example.
I just see it all over the place.
Here is lichen. This is lichen.
That grows on the trees.
Yes.
Then there's the ground stuff.
Yeah.
Which is a different kind.
And that's solely for clumsy people like me to fall on.
Yeah. It's for Cooper to bounce through.
That is...
He's like Tigger.
That is God's version of the safety net.
Yeah.
For drunk people and clumsy people.
Yeah.
Oh. So we're back to the
Okay, I see where we are.
to the top. That is the trail that we went down.
Now.
And this is where you were once